Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're preparing for your GCSE Biology exams, you're in exactly the right place. My name is Sharoon Daniel, and today we're continuing our Foundation Tier Paper 2 past paper walkthrough. If you like my channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel to watch more content. In this video, we'll start with question 3, which is all about ecosystems and interdependence. After that, we'll move on to bioenergetics, infection, and decay. So grab a pen, pause the video whenever you need to, and let's get started. Let's take a look at the first slide. Question 3 focuses on the topics such as ecosystems and interdependence, and we're going to begin with part 3.1 of this question. If you read the question with me, the examiner asks, what is the source of energy for the grass? This is a very straightforward question and the correct answer is the sun, or sunlight. Here is an exam tip for you: always remember this. Almost every food chain question starts with the sun. If you see plants, think photosynthesis straight away. Let's move to next question, which is part 3.2, which asks you to complete table 2. Now note that this question uses figure 3, showing a feeding relationship in a food chain, so let's break it down. Producers are grasses. Primary consumer are snowshoe hare. Secondary consumer are lynx. Now let's match the key terms to correctly fill in the table to obtain full marks. So the herbivore is snowshoe hare, because it eats grass. Carnivore here is a lynx, because it eats hares. Prey here is a snowshoe hare, it gets eaten. Predator here is a lynx, cause it prey upon snowshoe hares. Let me give you an exam tip regarding this question: that herbivores eat plants and carnivores eat animals. Adding to that is the fact that predators eat prey. Keep it simple. After this, let's move to the next part of the question 3, which is 3.3. Here examiner asks you to explain how different fur colors of hares increase the chance of survival. Hence it's a camouflage question, so the answer for this that the hare is camouflaged against its background, brown in summer and white in winter. This makes it less likely to be seen by predators, such as the lynx. As a result, it is less likely to be killed and eaten. And the exam tip to remember here is that camouflage leads to less visible, which leads to less predation, which finally leads to higher survival. Let's read our next part of the question, which is 3.4. If you read this question, it asks you to suggest 2 reasons why the number of snowshoe hares increases. Use logical reasoning here that there are 2 likely explanations for this to happen. What are they? Which are best answers to this ecological question? The answer is, firstly, more food, grass, is available in the region. Secondly, less predation means fewer predators, lynx, are present in the area. Let's talk about the exam tip, which population size usually depends on food availability and predator numbers. After the completion of previous question about population size, next question deals with the effect of an increase in hares on the number of lynx. Let's start using logical reasoning here to answer part 3.5 of the question, and the best explanation for increase in prey would be the number